iQOO 7. Yeah, this is a mobile which can be called as a successor for iQOO 3, and this mobile is coming with a lot of improvements from the iQOO 3, the older generation mobile, flagship mobile under 30,000. And this mobile coming with a lot of features which I will explain you in this video. So first of all, let's start with the display size. This mobile comes with a 6.62 inches of Full HD plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, Super AMOLED HDR template certified display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. And then this mobile comes with an industry leading processor, and this is the mobile that has the highest Antutu score in any of the mobile until now. That is 8,30,000 rupees, because this mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 385nm base 5G octa-core processor clocked at 3.2 GHz. Yes. And this mobile will be available in two variants. Mostly those are 8GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, and also 8GB RAM, 12GB RAM, 256GB of internal storage. Unfortunately, will not get an external memory slot. These are UFS 3.1 storage capacities and LPDDR5 RAM types. And for the cameras here, this mobile is coming with a lot of improvements from the older generations. That is, this mobile comes with a triple camera setup, but those are beast cameras. 48 megapixels of main wide angle camera with OIS optical image stabilization, and it can shoot up to 8K 30 fps, and a 13 megapixels of ultra wide, and also a 13 megapixels of telephoto zoom cameras. And for the front facing selfie camera, yeah, this mobile does come with an improved version from the older generation iQOO 3. That is a improved version of selfie camera, that is a 20 megapixels of shooter, and it can shoot up to 4K 30 fps. Yes. And when we talk about the battery, to power up this beast machine, this mobile comes with a 4000 mAh of battery. Yeah, it does seem like a bigger battery, but it comes with about 120 watts of fast charge. Yes, this can charge your mobile under 15 minutes from 0 to 100. So think about it, under 15 minutes from 0 to 100 in just 15 minutes. So yeah, that is the biggest thing. This mobile does not come with a font touch OS like the iQOO 3. This mobile coming with a new version, close to stock Android version of UI, that is a origin UI, and based on Android version 11. So yeah, this is the biggest thing from the older generation, biggest upgrade we can say that. And this mobile comes in 3 different colors, and those are blue, gray, white, and also this mobile is available in another color, that is a BMW edition. It is also called as Legend edition. And this mobile comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner, and it also comes with a stereo speakers. That is the thing we have missed in the iQOO 3, my mobile. And it also comes with a does not got a 3.5 mm jack. So yeah, that is the minus thing from the iQOO 3. And this mobile also does not come with 8 triggers like the iQOO 3 has. So yeah, that is an acceptable thing. And when we talk about the price of this mobile, yes, this is the only mobile which can be available after this release, which can have the triplet processor under 40,000 rupees. So I'm thinking this mobile will be released at 37,000 or something like that. This mobile is releasing on 26th of this month, so wait for it and watch the video after the release. And one more important thing, that this mobile comes with a Victus at the front side and Victus at the back side, and also metal frame at the frame. So yeah, these are the major important features of this mobile. So if you like this video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button.